Hello dear students, in this video I am going to talk about how to find out the rate constant when two different rates are given at a different time, different instant of time. This is for the first order reaction I am doing. For the first order reaction, relation between rate constant K and initial rates students, for example, we will take hypothetical reaction. A gives rise to products. Then rate expression we can write, it is a first order reaction. So R is equal to K into concentration of A to the raised to the power of 1, because it is a first order reaction. Then if they have given at time t1, rate is given as R1. At time t2, rate is given as R2, and they are asking to find out rate constant value in terms of R1 and R2. Let us do the derivation for this, and we will also do one numerical which is asked in the earlier exams, right? So then students, let us assume that initial concentration is A0. Initial concentration of reactant is A0. Concentration of reactant at T1 is, let us assume this is A1. Concentration of reactant at time T2 is A2. Students, first order integrated rate equation is 2.303 log A0 by AT is equal to KT. This is a first order integrated rate equation. Let us apply this equation at two different times, that is T1 and T2. When we apply this equation for the time T1, we will get the equation as 2.303 log A0 is as it is initial concentration divided by concentration of reactant at time T1 is A1. We can write it as A1 is equal to K into time is T1. So let us assume this as equation 1. Then this equation when we apply at the time T2, then we will get the equation as 2.303 log initial concentration is A0 only. The concentration of reactant at time T2 is A2 is equal to K into T place we have to substitute as T2. So students, we will use these equations and let us find out the relation between two different rates and the rate constant K now. Students, let us take these equations. Two equations we got. When we have used that first order integrated rate equation, it is applied at time T1 and time T2, we got two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. So students, what we will do is equation 2 minus 1. Equation 2 minus equation 1. So this first I am writing KT2 minus KT1 is equal to 2.303 is a common log A0 by A2 a naught by a2 minus log a naught by a1, a naught by a1. Students, from this we can take k as a common. So k into t2 minus t1, remaining terms here, t2 minus t1 is equal to 2.303. This is in the form of log a minus log b, which we can write it as log a by b, log a by b. So a place we have a naught by a2, b place we have a naught by a1. So let us write this by using this formula, log of a naught by a2, a naught by a2 and divide by a naught by a1. So bottom fraction will be reversed, then we will get it as a1 by a naught, a1 by a naught. A naught gets cancelled. So equation k is equal to expression for k, transfer t2 minus t1 to the opposite side, 2.303, t2 minus t1 log concentration of A at time t1, A1 by A2 we are getting. Students, rate expression for the first order equation R is equal to K into concentration power 1. At time t1, rate is R1. R1 is equal to K into rate constant is same, right? So A1 power 1 we can write, that is A1 we can write. At time t2, rate is equal to R2, K into A2 power 1, right? So students will take R1 by R2 from this. R1 by R2 is equal to K into A1 by K into A2. Then here k gets cancelled. So A1 by A2 we can write it as R1 by R2. In this expression, let us substitute A1 by A2 as R1 by R2. So finally we will get a k is equal to 2.303 by t2 minus t1 log A1 by A2 we can write it as R1 by R2. So this is a final expression, students. This is a formula to calculate the k value when the two rates is given it, that is R1 and R2 is given it the time t1 and t2. Let us take one question based on this formula now. Students, the question is the rate of first order reaction is 0.04 mole per liter per second at 10 seconds and 0.03 mole per liter per second at 20 seconds. After initiation of the reaction, the half-life period of the reaction is, four options is given as 44.1 second, 54.1 second, 24.1 second, 34.1 second, right? Students, whatever earlier we got formula, that formula we are going to use first to calculate the rate constant k. K is equal to 2.303 divided by t2 minus t1 log R1 by R2. Rates are given at two different times, right? Then we know for the first order reaction T of is equal to 0.693 by K by using this formula. First let us calculate K from this. 2.303 T2 minus T1, time is given in seconds, 20 minus 10 log R1 value is given as 0.04, R2 is given as 0.03. So on simplifying this, students, we will get 0.0287 second inverse we will get, right? So by substituting this in the T of is equal to 0.693 by K. So 0.693 by K value is 0.0287 second inverse. So this on simplifying will get 24.14 seconds, which is given in the option C. Option C is right. Thank you for watching.